Hello students. Today we are going to learn about summary writing. Summary writing is a compulsory question and which has 3 marks. So let's look at summary. What is a summary? A summary is a record in the reader's own words that gives the main points of an article, a lecture, a passage, a chapter, or even a whole book. So, what are the points to write the summary? Let's look at the do's of summary writing. Read and reread the passage. Understand. Read the instructions. Find exactly what you need to summarize. Identify the main idea. Form short sentences. Use linkers. Remove redundant words and omit extra words. Avoid your own interpretation. Now let's look at the don'ts of summary writing. Do not include, exclude, add, comment, or give examples. So, here are the key points to remember while writing a summary. Do not give your own opinion. Summary should be of 5 to 6 sentences only. Make use of the given points mentioned in the question. Try to use your own words. Remember to give the title. Students, please remember, summary should not be of more than 5 to 6 sentences. So now we'll proceed to how to summarize a summary. So let's proceed and look at the given passage. The question is, write a brief summary of the extract. Make use of the given points. Suggest a title. I request the students to go through the paragraph given. The answer is, I have begun with the title Socrates and Plato. And the answer is, Socrates was the greatest philosopher. He always discussed about truth with his friends and acquaintances. Plato was one of his disciples, through whose writings we know about Socrates. The government of Athens condemned Socrates and asked him to give up the search for truth. Socrates refused and preferred death as his duty, and he drank the cup of poison. If you look at the answer, we have made the proper use of the given points. I request the student to go through the summary given in the textbook page number 135. Again, I repeat, summary is a compulsory question in the board exam which consists of 3 marks. Students can refer the e-textbook link given in the last slide. Thank you.